it. So I'm gonna open it and see. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow, look how lovely these shoes are. I love them. And they're so white. I love it. Now let's see. I always wanted these. Ah! Can I try them on? Oh! Let's see this shirt. I love it. Ow! Oh my gosh. I love this one, but it's mine. I love it so much. Let's see next thing. No. No! This is super cute. I love it. Is this a dress? Whoa! I love these clothes. And I love those shoes. Look how cute these shoes are. But now let's open some more. Ooh, I love these. These are so cool. Here's my ropa. Let me put this. Then the sunglasses. Put the shoes. A t-shirt. Let's see what it is. Ooh. Let me try one on. What should we pick? Let's see. Okay, let's try these.